Kids learn with fun.
Hello, little friends. Have you seen any of these vehicles? These are some giant vehicles that help people to build roads and other constructions. Alright, let's learn about them today. Construction vehicles. Our first construction vehicle is excavator. An excavator is a powerful construction vehicle. It has a long arm with a bucket at the end, which it uses to dig up dirt and rocks. The cab is a compartment where the operator sits and controls the arm and the bucket. Excavators are often seen on construction sites, helping to build roads, houses, and other big projects. They can even spin around in a full circle to reach different areas easily. Some excavators are using tracks to move around. They help to move easily on uneven grounds. Other excavators are using wheels. Our next construction vehicle is loader. A loader is a construction vehicle which scoops, lifts, and moves materials like dirt, sand, or gravel. All these hard jobs are done by the large bucket it has at the front. Loader also has cab for the operator to sit and control the vehicle. Loader is commonly used on construction sites for clearing debris, loading trucks, and moving heavy materials efficiently. Our next construction vehicle is concrete mixer. A concrete mixer is another giant vehicle often seen on the construction sites. It has a large rotating drum on the back. This drum mixes cement, sand, gravel, and water to make concrete. You may have seen the drum spinning even when the vehicle is on the move. This continuous spinning keeps the concrete mix away from hardening. Our next construction vehicle is road roller. A road roller is a big construction vehicle with a heavy, smooth drum in the front. The drum rolls over the ground to flatten and compact surfaces like roads, making them smooth and even. You can see this giant vehicle on the road construction sites mostly. Our next construction vehicle is bulldozer. A bulldozer is a big, powerful construction vehicle. It has a large blade at the front. This blade can push dirt, rocks, and other materials out of the way. A bulldozer may look similar to loader, but bulldozer has tracks whereas loader has big wheels. These tracks help bulldozer to easily move on construction sites. Bulldozers are often used to help build roads and when clearing lands. They are very strong and can move a lot of material quickly. Our next construction vehicle is dump truck. Dump truck helps carry heavy things like dirt, sand, or rocks. It has a large open bucket at the back. This bucket is also called bed. The dump truck bed can be lifted by a hoist. When the hoist lifts the bed, all the materials slide out smoothly and unload them. Dump trucks work very hard in construction sites. Dump trucks can be in various sizes and designs, but they all do the same job. Our last construction vehicle for today is mobile crane. It has a long arm called a boom that can stretch out and reach high places. The arm is connected to moving part to rotate it. At the end of the boom there is a strong hook that can pick up heavy objects. These strong cranes work hard in the construction sites to help lift and move heavy things. Well done! Now you know a lot about construction vehicles. Let's have a quiz to see how much you know. This vehicle has a smooth drum at the front and helps to flatten the roads. Can you name it? It is road roller. Amazing! This vehicle has a spinning drum. It can store and carry concrete in it. Can you name it? It is concrete mixer. Well done! This vehicle has a moving arm and a bucket and used to scoop soil from the ground. What is it? It is excavator. Great! This vehicle can scoop and move materials like dust and rocks. It has 4 giant wheels. Can you name it? It is loader. Great! This vehicle has a large bed at the back to carry and unload rocks and other materials. What is it? It is dump truck. Good job! This vehicle can move materials out of the way to clear construction sites. It moves on tracks. What is it? It is bulldozer. Well done! This vehicle has a big arm that can extend. It helps to lift and move heavy materials. Can you name it? It is mobile crane. Good job! Alright, we named all the vehicles. I'm sure you can remember them now. Do not forget to check them out in construction sites. See you in another fun learning video. Bye for now.